Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is, find at what time between 7 and 8 o'clock the angle between hour hand and minute hand is 105 degrees. So what is the given question? You have to find out at what time between 7 and 8 the angle between the hour hand and minute hand will be 105 degrees. So how to do this question? So just let's analyze the situation. The time is 7 o'clock. So when the time is 7 o'clock, the hour hand is at 7 and the minute hand is at 12. Now what is the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand? How to find out the angle? You know that 1 hour is equal to 30 degree. You already know 1 hour is equal to 30 degree. How did you get? 12 hours is equal to 360 degree. So 1 hour is equal to 360 divided by 12 is equal to 30 degree. So between 12 and 1 it is 30 degree. Then again between 1 and 2 it is 30 degree. Then again between 2 and 3 it is 30 degree and so on. So when the hour hand is at 7, the meaning is, what is the angle between minute hand and hour hand? It will be 7 into 30. So the angle will be 7 into 30, which gives you 210 degree. So the angle between the minute hand and hour hand at 7 o'clock is 210 degree. What is the question? You have to find out when the angle will be 105 degrees. So one case is when the hour hand is moving a distance equal to 210 minus 105. So now the hour hand and minute hand are 210 degree apart. But we need only 105 degree apart. So that means the minute hand should be moving 210 degree minus 105 degree. So 210 minus 105 degree means it is 105 degree. So the minute hand should move like this and it should move 105 degree. Then the angle between the hour hand and minute hand becomes 105 degree. So how to find out the time taken? So both the hour hand and minute hand are moving. So you should take the relative speed. So whenever both the bodies are moving, you always have to consider the relative speed. Here the hour hand is also moving, the minute hand is also moving. So you have to consider the relative speed between the minute hand and the hour hand, which is equal to 5.5 degree per minute. How did you get it? You find out the distance travelled by hour hand in 1 minute and the distance travelled by minute hand in 1 minute. Minute hand is travelling 360 degree in 60 minutes. The minute hand is travelling 360 degree in 60 minutes. That means in 1 minute the minute hand is travelling 6 degree. And the hour hand is travelling a distance equal to 30 degree in 1 hour. So 1 hour means 60 minutes. So in 60 minutes the hour hand is travelling 30 degree. So in 1 minute the hour hand will be moving half degree. So the speed difference between the minute hand and hour hand is equal to 6 degree minus half degree, which gives you 5.5 degree per minute. So the time taken to travel 105 degree will be equal to distance divided by speed. Here distance is equal to 105 degree and speed is equal to 5.5 degree per minute. That is a relative speed between hour hand and minute hand. You have to by heart it so that you can easily use for these kind of questions. So it will be 105 degree divided by 11 by 2. 1 by 2 degree means 11 by 2, which gives you 19.09. So that means 19.09 minutes after 7. So that is one instance at which the angle between the hour hand and minute hand is 105 degree. The present separation between hour hand and minute hand is equal to 210 degree. It has to be reduced to 105 degree. So you have to do 210 minus 105, which gives you again 105 degree. Then that is the distance to be covered, and this 105 degree divided by the relative speed between the hour hand and minute hand, which is equal to 11 by 2 degree per minute. Now what is the second case? Again there is a chance for the angle between hour hand and minute hand to be 105 degree. The minute hand is travelling this whole distance of 210 degree, and after this the minute hand is again travelling a distance of 105 degree. So that is the second case. Between 7 and 8 is the question. So the time should not exceed 8. So the next case is, this is the first case, and second case is the distance travelled will be equal to the whole 210 degree plus an additional 105 degree. So the total distance to be travelled is 315 degree. So it is less than 360 degree. When the minute hand travels 360 degree, the time becomes 8. So the distance to be traveled should be less than 360 degree. So here the distance is 315 degree. So there is a second case. Now what is the time taken to travel 315 degree? Again same formula. The time taken will be equal to distance divided by speed. So 315 degree divided by the relative speed of 11 by 2 degree per minute, which gives you 315 into 2 divided by 11, or it will be equal to 57.27 minutes after 7. So these are the two times. So one is 7:19.09 and second time is 7:57.27 minutes. So these are the two times between 7 and 8 at which the angle between the hour hand and minute hand is equal to 105 degree. Now question number 2. Find at what time between 10 and 11 o'clock the angle between hour hand and minute hand is 30 degrees. The same kind of question, between 10 and 11, when the angle between hour hand and minute hand will be 30 degrees. So this is the case. At 10 o'clock, the hour hand is at 10 and minute hand is at 12. And what is the angle between hour hand and minute hand? How to find? You just have to multiply this 10 into 30 degree. 1 hour is equal to 30 degree. So 10 hours will be 10 into 30 degree, which gives you 300 degree. So 300 degree is the present angle between hour hand and minute hand. And what should be the angle? 30 degrees is what you have to find out. So here also there are two cases. So the one case will be the minute hand is moving or traversing a distance of 300 minus 30 degree. It has to traverse a distance of 300 minus 30 degree, that is 270 degree. So when the minute hand travels 270 degree, then the separation between hour hand and minute hand is reduced to 30 degree. So what is the time taken for this? 270 degree divided by 11 by 2 degree, which is the relative speed between the hour hand and minute hand. So 270 degree divided by 11 by 2 degree, which gives you 49.09 minutes after 10. Now what is the next case? Next case is the minute hand is traveling the whole distance of 300 degree, then it is traveling another 30 degree. Okay, after completing the entire 300 degree, the minute hand is again traveling at 30 degree, that is a second case. So it will be 300 degree plus 30 degree, that is 330 degree. So the minute hand has to travel a distance of 330 degree. Since both the hour hand and minute hand are moving, you have to consider the relative speed. So your answer will be 330 degree divided by 11 by 2 degree per minute. So you will be getting 60 minutes past 10. What is 60 minutes past 10? It is 11 o'clock. So your two times are, one is 10:49.09 and your second time will be 11. So during these both times, so here the question is what time between 10 and 11 o'clock. So you will be having only one option, 10:49.09. So 10:49.09 means the hour hand and minute hand will be 30 degrees apart. Now third question of the same kind, find at what time between 4 and 5 the angle between hour hand and minute hand is 135 degrees. So this is the case between 4 and 5. When will the angle between hour hand and minute hand is equal to 135 degrees? So what is the present angle between hour hand and minute hand? So how to find out? 1 hour is equal to 30 degree. So here the time is 4 o'clock. So your angle will be equal to 4 into 30 degree, which gives you 120 degree. So present angle between your minute hand and hour hand is equal to 120 degree. Now you have to find out when the angle will be equal to 135 degrees. So usually what we do the present angle minus the angle which is to be achieved. That is one case, and present angle plus the angle to be achieved. There are two cases. But here we can see the angle between hour hand and minute hand is less than the angle to be achieved. So there is only one case. So even if the minute hand has to traverse the full 120 degree and then it has to move an additional 135 degree, it has to move full 120 degree, then it has to traverse an additional 135 degrees in order to make the angle between hour hand and minute hand is equal to 135 degrees. Okay, it has to travel the whole distance and then again travel 135 degrees. So the total distance to be traveled is equal to 135 plus 120 degree, which gives you 255 degree. So what is the time taken to cover 255 degrees? It will be 255 degree divided by 11 by 2 degree per minute, which gives you 255 into 2 divided by 11, which is equal to 46.36 minutes past 4. So your time will be 46.36 minutes. This 0.36, how you can convert to seconds? You know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So you can multiply this 0.36 into 60 in order to get the corresponding seconds. Okay, so you can convert this into seconds and write. So that will be your final answer. Thank you for watching.